Follow along with me, starting with the eyes. Here, line up both eyes like this. And right here, halfway down the head, that's the spot. Take that high and carry it up. That's the full height. One step at a time. Colors going in now, and she's coming to life. Just enjoy the process. While you go over the lines, fix up anything that needs it. The body stays simple, no rush. Getting close to the end, the outline locks in the shape.